Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen, and today we're doing a Harry Potter folding surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Okay, little artists, let's start with this picture. We're gonna open the paper this way, okay? And I wanna start in the outside part, doing the owl. The first thing here in the middle, we're gonna do a triangle. We're gonna leave 2 finger space on the top, and we're gonna do an upside down triangle for the beak. Just like that. And in each side, we're gonna do 2 big oval shapes for the eyes of this owl. So this is the first one. And the second one. Now, inside, we're gonna do a half a circle just to make their eye. We're gonna leave a space on the bottom. Let's do another one. And now on the top, we're gonna leave another little circle just to make it look like the shine of the eye. And now let's color with black around this one. Next, we're gonna do the body all around these eyes. And it's gonna look like a number 8. So we're gonna start up here doing an upside down letter U around the eyes. And on the bottom, I wanna do here a curve, and do not cross the folding part. The same thing in the other side. Now let's do upside down letter U's, just 2 of them for the little fingers. And 1 and 2. And to finish the body, we're gonna do U shapes here to make it look like feathers. 1 more. And on the top, I can do 2 more. It looks almost like a letter W up here for a little feathers. The last thing we're gonna do is the wings, and we're gonna start here on this corner going up, and here going up. Now let's go down doing big letter C's, and these ones come underneath the next one. Let's do the same thing in the other side. I wanna do backwards letter C, 1, 2, 3, and 1 last one. Now let's put little curves here just to make it look more like wings. Now we're all done with this owl. Now let's go underneath here to make the books where he's sitting. Underneath the folding part, we're gonna do a little teeny tiny line underneath the folding part. And we're gonna do another one that is gonna cross all the way underneath the owl and leaving a space in between the folding. Now we're gonna do a curve that goes down, and we're gonna leave a space and do another curve. And now let's join these 2 together with another straight line. And I'm just pressing the marker a little bit so the line goes a little bit more straight. Now let's do 1 more line down here. And let's do this one double and connect here. The next thing is gonna finish the side of the book, and we're gonna do here a double line going down. And now we're gonna leave a space underneath the wing, and we're gonna do 1 line. And let's join now this corner with the line, and we're gonna do a diagonal line. To finish, let's just mark the line that goes right underneath this folding part. You can use this folding to guide yourself with the marker. Now, if you still have a space, just let's close this little space, doing kind of like a diagonal line here. To finish the book, we're gonna do here inside little lines, and I'm gonna do these little lines with the point of the marker so the lines come thinner. That's it for the outside. Now let's open the paper, and we're gonna start working on the Harry Potter. We're gonna start with the hair. We're gonna do first underneath the folding part, we're gonna do 2 curves. It looks like a number 3. And now let's go down and we're gonna do a little more longer lines. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And they still look like a number 3. Let's leave a space and let's do a curve and then another one. And now here we're gonna do one more, and this one is shorter. Underneath these curves we're gonna do the glasses. Let's do 2 big circles here. So let's start on the left side. We're gonna do a big circle. Now let's pass the marker twice just to make this line thicker. Now I'm gonna leave a finger space and let's do one more. And I'm passing the marker twice. And let's join them in the middle with a curve. Now inside we are gonna put the eyes, and I'm just gonna do 2 oval shapes, and let's fill them with black. And in the middle underneath the glasses I'm gonna do a teeny tiny smile. And each side of the glasses we're gonna do the ears with a letter C and a little line inside, just like that. And now we can connect the hair here with the ear and this one with the glasses. We're gonna put here the lining shape that he has in his forehead, just going down. Now let's go up and down. We're gonna pass the marker twice just to make it a little thicker. The last thing is gonna do finish his face, and we're gonna just go around the glasses with a curve. And now let's do the scarf. We're gonna start underneath the glasses doing 2 curves, 1 and 2. And now let's join them from side to side. Inside we're gonna do lines that go down, and it's just gonna be 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. You can actually put one more right here, so let's put one more. And that's it. We're gonna leave it like that. Okay, now let's finish his hair, and we're gonna do curves that go to touch the scarf. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's do the same on the other side, just doing curves that go and connect to the scarf. Next thing is gonna be a V shape that is gonna cross the folding part. So let's do it underneath the scarf. There we go, it's the letter B. And inside on the corners we're gonna do 1 and 2 lines. And inside in the middle you're gonna put 2 triangles. The first one goes down, and 1 and 2. And we're gonna fill with black the inside of these 2 triangles that we did together. And it should be a white space in the sides. Next, let's finish the scarf, and we're gonna do 2 little lines. So 1 go down, and from this corner we're gonna go down, and at the end we're just gonna put little lines to finish the scarf. Now let's start with the body. We're gonna do the suit that he's wearing, so let's do a line down here, and 1 from this kind of like number 3 we did here. We're gonna do 1 line that goes down. Now let's do one more. 1 over here and 1 over here, and we're gonna join them with a curve, 1 and 2. In the middle we're gonna do a line just to mark where the shirt is, and we're gonna just go across. And for the pants we're gonna do a line in the middle. It's short, and this line is gonna join here with a square shape. Let's do the same on the other side. Now for the shoes it's gonna be really simple. We're just gonna do a curve, it goes up, a curve, and goes up. The last thing is gonna be the arms. We're gonna do here first on the left side. We're gonna go from this corner down, from this corner down, and let's join them with here with the suit with a curve. This hand is just gonna be a curve, and we're gonna put a line inside, and the other hand is gonna be holding the 1, so we're gonna do first a little curve, and we're gonna leave a space. From here we're gonna do the 1, so we're gonna go out, we're gonna do a pointy part, and then just close it. And if you still have a room here, just close it with a little curve, just like this. We are almost done. We are very, very close to be done. Let's just draw the last book that he's standing on. We're just gonna do a line to go across underneath his feet. And we're just gonna go across. And we still have a space underneath, so we're gonna do here a curve. And make sure that you're not gonna cross the folding part. In this side, I'm gonna do here another curve. Now, and this is the backing of the book, so we can put some decorations if you want to. So I'm using here the point of my marker just to make these lines look thinner, and make sure that do not cross the folding part. You can write something here. And to finish this book, we're gonna do a diagonal line that goes to the right. And this line is gonna be short, so we're just gonna go to the right in a diagonal way. And the same thing down here. So I'm just gonna go diagonal, no touching the folding part here. And now let's join these two together with a curved line that goes down. And this line we're gonna do a double. Okay, now this is the bottom part of the book, so we're gonna put more lines just like we did in the other one, just with the point of the marker. And here, if you still have a space, you can actually close this line right here. The last step is gonna be the top part of the book, because we're looking at still like to the top part. Now let's cross in behind the feet, right here and right here. And there, that's it. We finished this character who is Harry Potter. Let's go see how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and I hope you follow all the steps. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my owl that is sitting on a book turned out in the outside part. And now let's go see how it looks when we open. This is the colors that the character usually use. You can change the colors of the book, or you can actually change the colors of the character or put something in the background. This lesson had a lot of steps, but I hope you liked it, and I hope you follow with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!